The chameleon, impressively adaptive and extremely anticipatory. For the implementation of special complex materials and the development of projects, we have copied these fascinating qualities. Whether it's a delta filter, filter cylinder or pellets. Like the chameleon adapts to its environment, we too adapt to the demands, wishes for our customers' one-off productions. We apply these abilities for our customers in the fields of knitted full cords, special knits and glue applications. With our focus and far-reaching view of the solution and sustainability, we support our partners with the implementation of their projects. Hence, successful product development has resulted from this. Examples of this are our explosion protection filters, special fat filters, gather fleece and much more. Together with our customers, we look to the future and create solutions wherever they are needed.